It is an honor and privilege to stand before you today as we celebrate this significant milestone in your life, the graduates, as our university graduates. I was once in a position like this. I sat just the way you're sitting, but at that time, the number was so much, I almost collapsed here. But I want to thank the university for a well-coordinated program, the space, and the organization. As we all know, today marks a culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. On behalf of the government and the people of Rivers State, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each of you for your success and achievements. I took time to listen to the speech. When I say record the speech of the Pro-Chancellor, also what the Chancellor said, and also the wonderful presentation by the Vice Chancellor. He commended me so much for my support, not as me, but as government. But he also indicted me very heavily. Please, in future, if you want to do such thing, you can call me aside and just tell me not to flog me before the graduates. Please. A heartfelt note of gratitude goes to the parents, the guardians, the family, friends, teachers, and everyone else for their unfailing support, encouragement of our children throughout their study. We sincerely thank you for your immune support and sacrifice. A lot of our parents, I know what they go through to see their world through this level of education. So I want to thank you for your support to see that your children today are among the graduates. Rivers State University was founded to provide world-class education, encourage critical thinking, and nurture leaders who will contribute to the growth of our communities, states, and nation. I am pleased to see this fundamental dream realized as 13,242 students from all parts of Nigeria receive graduate and postgraduate degree, certificates, and diplomas. It is a significant achievement, deserving a standing ovation from everyone. Indeed, we are proud of this remarkable growth of this university and its outstanding contribution to the development of manpower in our state and in the country at large. While I join other stakeholders and well-wishers in celebrating your progress and achievement over the years, I urge you to prioritize research, innovation as you navigate your path to the top. I also encourage you to offer practical solutions to the developmental challenges of our community. including the creation of stable local technology to enhance human security, economic growth, job creation, sustainable development. The Chancellor mentioned the importance of technology. Also went further to highlight the danger of technology. But I wish you to key into the positive side of technology. Although technology failed the Vice Chancellor today. I assure you, the university community, that we will endeavor to fulfill our funding commitments. I repeat it again. I assure you that we will fulfill our funding commitments. Like you said, a report was given to us, but you all know how and what happened to the life of our administration. It is only by the special grace of God, the special favor from Mr. President, that we are standing here still as the ones presiding over the affair of Rivers State. So I assure you that now that we're back with the support from all the stakeholders, we will resume our responsibilities and we will make sure that every complaint that I mentioned here will be addressed. I will not conclude that part without mentioning a report I got recently that the ASU of my university are afraid that I'm angry with them. Please, before you supported your sister association, when I said sister branches, you did a letter to me that it was a national decision. I'm a civil servant before I found myself in politics. And I understand when it comes to trade union decision. So you don't have anything to fear. Please. That will not stop my support for the university. Neither will I say dent my relationship with ASU, Rivers State Chapter. I have your back. As we all know, education is the most critical investment for nation economic success. Therefore, we cannot, as a responsible government, afford to deprive our youth of this most essential tool they need to improve their life. We fully recognize the problem confronting the university, both at the main campus and other locations. I would not mention those things because some of these things, when you mention them, you end up building fears in people. But I can assure you that we are tackling those challenges, and our provision for next year will adequately take care of all these issues. Let me come back to our graduates. Today marked the starting of an exciting new chapter in your life, bringing new experience, challenges, choice of your journey through life. Remember that Remember that as you travel on, you will encounter many obstacles and unfamiliar routes. But what is important is making out good from any bad path that you find yourself. Don't ever allow the negative part to decide your route. It is a decision that when you take it, even the Bible recognizes it. Not because you're born as a disabled person. There is a very special and unique ability in disability. So I challenge you here today that no matter the path you're going to find yourself, no matter how, in quotes, we will say, we still have not gotten to that level of the Western standard, but what you have gotten from here can still make you compete favorably anywhere in the world. So I wish you well. However, although we are not entirely out of danger, what we need to do is to create better opportunities to succeed in wherever we find ourselves, and to ensure that what our parents, our world, have invested in us is not a waste. This also applies to our dear state, which has all the resources and opportunities. You don't need to go too far. The opportunities are even by your doorstep. Look for a way to tap into it. The world has moved past looking for a job. What the world is talking about is creating jobs. What we will have promised you here is we will give you the opportunities and the enablement to create the jobs. Create the jobs, unemployment problem will be resolved. Create the jobs, issue of insecurity will be minimized. So my challenge to you today is live here, become creator of employment, become entrepreneurs. River State is willing and ready to support you. In conclusion, as you begin this journey of life, I encourage you to act with integrity, inspired other true personal sacrifice, strive to uplift with grace, promote the change we all seek, and maintain a strong belief in your ability to turn your dreams into reality. Once again, I congratulate every one of you that has made it this far. I wish you good luck, God guidance in the next phase of your lives. Thank you, and may God bless us all.